What's up? It's your girl ChiquitaBraids. Before we get into this video, do me the biggest favor and hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button. Thanks for supporting the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you what I do in order for me to make money from DoorDash with it being extremely saturated. So I simply go to schedule down to the bottom and listen to this is very important. I stay inside this app. Like I plan to not do anything and I stay inside this app and I just keep on pulling this down, pulling it down, pull it down. And the minute I see the location that I want, I don't care what time it is, long as I see the name of that location that I want to work. Like if you know your area, I know my area and I know, what area to work. So that's the area that I'm going to consistently look for and snatch the minute I see it. So I'm going to keep doing this until I find something. Sometimes it takes a while. And while I'm doing this, I'm on my way. I'm on my way to that location, or I'm already in the location, because DoorDash allow you to start dashing about 15 minutes before the time that you are scheduled. And that gives you an extra dash, like an extra order. Because 9 times out of 10, if I get like a 30-minute time slot, what's going to happen is if I start the 15 minutes early, I'm going to get an extra order. So I'll have like 3 to 4 order within that 30-minute time frame, plus the extra 15 minutes. The last time I dashed, it was this one right here, $83 Saturday. So this, I was in the app constantly loading, refresh. 5.88 hours, I made $83.47. So it's possible. You just have to be willing to just sit there and wait to catch those time slots. Okay, so I finally caught a time slot, 5:30, 9 p.m. I'm close to the location, so I'll be able to dash as soon as it allows me to dash, which is going to be 15 minutes before the time that I'm allowed to start. All right, see, 5:15, exactly 5:15. So I can go ahead and start dashing now. $11 Wendy's. This was my first order. It did took a good 22 minutes, I think it was 22 minutes or something like that. But, I hung in there. And look, $11 first order. Rib Shack. So I did about 5 deliveries in a little over 3 hours and earned $49.09. So it was pretty worth it, trying to catch that schedule. It's not bad at all. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope that I provided you with information that will help you get out there, start dashing, and make yourself some money. If you're not signed up with DoorDash, you can use my link down to the bottom. I do get a bonus. Yeah, it's really not that complicated, and it's not really that hard to get a time slot and to get out there and start dashing. So if you didn't already, subscribe to the channel. Smash that thumbs up button. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. Check out the description section. I will have the link for you to sign up with DoorDash. Let's get out there and make this money. And don't just make the money. Make this money and use this money to invest. Save up to invest. Don't just spend it all on bills and pay your bills, but pay you first by investing in yourself, whether it be knowledge, whatever it is that you need to enhance you, to make you better. Use that money for that. Okay?